Okay, bargain hunters, it's Chris at our baddest RV. I've got an interesting proposition next to me here. This is still a brand new 2024 Thor Echelon LF31. This is the king of bunkhouses. Let me show you why and why it's a good deal. Let's go. So a 2024 Echelon, never registered, powered by Ford's Godzilla 7.3 liter V8. So gobs of power, has an 8,000 pound hitch on the back. I won't necessarily tow that, but that's another conversation when we meet in person. 2,700 miles currently on the odometer, and this is a big girl. Full wall slide on this one, only the one slide. There's an own and gen set down low. This is an E450 chassis, so definitely heavy. So as we walk around here, you'll notice it's got full decals. This thing looks fantastic. There's the hitch on the back there. High mount backup camera, LED taillights on this guy. For a unit this size, there's a decent amount of storage involved as well. I like the polycarbonate style tubs down low. Thor uses a Moride suspension system just to help these behave a little more on the highway. Outdoor entertainment, huge awning. You have your flameless luxury style windows on here. Heading on in. Immediately, you got a 30 amp solar controller down low here. You have battery disconnect, auto gen set on here as well too. As you come up, LCI electronics leveling system, controls for your generator as well, so you can do it manually or through AGS. Active tank heaters as well. So this guy's going to fare well in a colder climate. Smaller kitchen on this guy. That's kind of the thing with these, and you'll run into this quite a bit, but I do like the option of a 2-burner with an induction, with a convection up above. Nice amount of space down low. Stainless sink. Dream dinette for with the booth dinette overall, so that just unrelease a latch down low, pardon me. That drops down. This makes into a bed. Insignia TV up top. That's going to sit opposite of your recliners here. Now your recliners sit opposite of the booth dinette, so on a wet day, the family can kind of sit around, have a chat, do their thing. There is some speakers underneath here. Good amount of space in the bunk. That shade in the front is powered. There's a max air fan right above it to push air around, or actually pull it through more specifically. Leather seats. You have the higher Ford chassis here, so that's going to give you things like heated mirrors. It's going to give you steering wheel audio controls for that head unit there. That's also where your backup camera is going to show up. Hard surface countertops, ambient lighting down low, 12-volt compressor fridge. These are pretty much as you would expect, but this unit's from Norcold. And nice amount of size there. Now I talked about ultimate and bunkhouse. Well, this is where it's starting to show up. So you got 2 single mattresses here. You've got the booth dinette that drops down, and then that front bunk. And then as you parry through to the back here, queen bed on the slide out with some overheads. Big closet in the corner next to that TV. I just spotted that power converter down low. It says auto detect, so this is lithium ready if you want to go that route. Corner shower, toilet, little overhead storage as well with the medicine cabinet, but that's kind of got it. So there's a lot more to talk about with this guy, but I just wanted to do a brief run through on it. This should find its home soon, because at a price now of $149,938, this has come down 20 grand. Our baddest wants to get this out. So a lot of value here for somebody, because the new ones, they're even more expensive. So if you're in the market, you want to save a few bucks and take a chance on a beautiful little motorhome like this, and let's face it, you're not taking the chance, give me a buzz. This will register with full warranty. So lots of good things with this guy. Thanks for watching.